Before I start this video, I just want to say a huge thank you to anyone who recently subscribed to the channel that got me to 2,000 subscribers. That just blows my mind. 2,000 people have subscribed to this channel. It might not seem a lot to a lot of people, but this is a stadium of 2,000 people. Insane. So thank you guys for that support. That literally motivated me to prep for next year. So that's why I haven't been really posting that much, because I'm getting ready for Q1, guys. 2026. It's going to be a big year. But anyways, thank you for subscribing, and now let's get to the video. What's going on? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for watching this because it's almost the holidays and I wanted to hook you guys up with a couple little mods, you can say, or just fun little things to buy for your second gen Tundra, specifically more in the newer body style. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because on the last video, it blew up out of nowhere. And I'm glad it did, because those were just little mods that I thought were pretty cool. So this is essentially a part 2 to that. And I think this is gonna help you guys out. Just get some fun little additions to your Tundra to make it look nice, to make it more convenient for the things that you use or bring in your truck. So let's get to it. First things first is this thing right here, Wolf. Boom. Can you guess what this is real quick? So if you're drinking, right, what you're gonna do is, if you want to make sure that you are under the limit, you just blow into this. Just kidding. Do not drink and drive. It's a joke. All right. Let me just bring it back. Let me reel it back in. So this is actually a tire pressure sensor. For the past, I've used that white one that a lot of people use, or it's like chrome and you press on it and then that little thing sticks out. That to me hasn't been the best, because it says it's like 30 to 35 PSI, but then when I go to like a legit place, it shows up pretty low. So this is a digital one and it's super cool. It has a little light right there in the front. I don't know if you can see that. You literally press the button. It has the numbers right there. And I don't think I need to explain more about what this can do. So this is something that would be probably beneficial for you, or for anyone, to be honest. And just a quick little side note, all the products I'm going to be talking about right now is linked down below. So if you're interested, you could use the links and it will help out the channel. When you purchase it, then I can get gear like this mic, even though I've already had it, but there's a whole new setup that I'm doing that I'm saving up for 2026. So it definitely helps out creating more videos that are better and that are for you guys. So let's go ahead and move on to product number 2. Product number 2 is this thing. This is a charger, right? But it's not like any other charger. It's a charger that has a USB-C, which most phones have that now, and the normal iPhone charging port thing. And you also have a USB right here on the bottom, and then a USB-C. So the reason why I like this is because of this right here. I'm tired of having wires all over in my dashboard area or in my center console. So this thing is pretty dope. So I keep my phone right here, right? Let's go ahead and do that. So I keep my phone right there to have it charge. You literally just pull this thing out, right? And you kind of yank it so that it like stays. And then you just plug it in and then it charges. And the best part is when you're done, you do this, you take it out, right? So besides it just laying around and kind of being all messed up, sorry that it's all dark. Let's go ahead and bring it down lower. All you have to do is literally just pull it. Done. And I've had that thing for, I don't know, 3-4 months now, and I freaking love it. And for your passenger also, it reaches out pretty far. Let's see. Yeah, you can honestly, this is almost touching this. Well, it is actually touching the top of the Tundra. So check that out. Third product is this right here. I didn't have one of these like sunglass clips, and the other ones that I saw on Amazon, it was like you had to press a button and it was plastic and it was just, I don't know, I just didn't like it. But this thing is a literally magnet, so you can like take it off and then just push it up, so you don't even have to like click the thing back on. Super easy to install. You literally just slide this thing in, put your sunglasses there, and oh, there it is. I actually have 2 of them. I have one here for the driver's side and the passenger side. So that's a little fun one. And the rest of these products I'm about to be talking about, I don't personally have just yet, but I will be getting them very soon. And one of them is a cover for your dash. For some people, it might not bother them, but to me, when the sun hits the dash, it bothers me a lot. And when I went back home, my mom had it in her vehicle whenever I was borrowing her car. She had that little like black dash cover and it worked great. So I was like, I just need to get one whenever I get back. So I'm gonna be ordering that soon because I'm tired of the glare that comes, especially when the sun is like at a perfect angle, especially in the morning, now that it's winter time. It literally hits the top of the dashboard and then just goes straight into my eyes. So I'm gonna add one more product to this list. That's gonna take some time for me to get because I genuinely just wanna buy them piece by piece. But if you want to, and if you have the money, the holidays are coming up, so the sales are probably gonna be happening. So you could probably do a bulk order this. But if you have this Tundra and you don't like the chrome, there's a company that sells these chrome covers, and there are some other brands out there that are pretty expensive, but for me it's just a piece of plastic covering the chrome or kind of replacing it. So I feel like you don't need, it's not to my face. I had to change that real quick. I didn't realize it was focused on this, but anyways, yeah, it's just a piece of plastic, so I'm not going to be paying a lot of money for a piece of plastic to cover the chrome.